To improve the Philippine Marine Corps (PMC) capability to meet its purpose of assaulting and deployment of marine forces through the sea, its parent service branch, the Philippine Navy (PN), embarked on the Amphibious Assault Vehicle (AAV) acquisition project. This would allow the PN and PMC to acquire AAVs and rebuild its capabilities that were lost when its previous similar asset, the LVTP-5 and LVTH-6 amphibious assault vehicles, lost their amphibious capabilities and were eventually retired from service starting in the 1990s. These new AAVs represent a revitalized Philippine Marine Corps and will be launched from the PN's existing fleet of floating assets, primarily the Tarlac-class landing platform docks that were designed to allow the use of AAVs. As part of the first phase of AAV acquisition, 8 units were planned for purchase under the Horizon 1 phase of the revised AFP Modernization Program, RAFP-MP. After a public bidding, South Korea's Hanwha Techwin, now Hanwha Defense Systems, was awarded a contract to supply their KAAV-7A1 amphibious assault vehicles, which are license-built copies of the BAE Systems AAV-7A1 from the U.S. The Amphibious Assault Vehicle Acquisition Project is actually among the first projects implemented in the Horizon 1 phase of the revised AFP Modernization Program, RAFP-MP, and was already in the planning since 2009. It was to be procured through a public bidding mode of procurement conducted by the Department of National Defense, DND. Being the first, it was also among the most revised projects as the system to procure was still being tweaked by the DND and AFP. A series of bid failures happened between 2013 and 2014. But in all biddings, only one company persistently participated, South Korea's Hanwha Techwin, now Hanwha Defense Systems. In 2014, Max Defense released a blog entry, see below, which named Hanwha Techwin as the most likely supplier of the PN's AAV project, as there were only two potential companies to supply the vehicle, the other being BAE Systems, and only Hanwha Techwin participated in all the bid attempts. While Hanwha Techwin was ultimately declared as the sole bidder for the project in 2014, it took a long time before an award was made. The project only made progress in 2015 after former Pres. Benigno, Noynoy, Aquino 3 signed the approved Horizon 1 acquisitions which held the budget released for several projects.